on, I want to talk about parting your hair. Everyone comes in with a different part, or they part their hair all over the place. I want to talk about the why. When you part your hair in the middle, it's very dramatic, and if you're rocking more beachy waves, I think it looks really nice. When you part it to the side, I like to use the eyebrow as an actual guide. So where I arch the most, that's where typically a side part will balance your face and everything. If you want it to be a little bit more glamorous, go ahead and tuck your hair. If you want more volume, if you always part your hair on this side, actually switching it to the other side will give you more volume on that side. If you want to do the middle, actually get it though, and then comb it down like that. Some people's middle part is a little bit off center, but if you do something like that, I recommend not tucking it behind the ears because then you'll look like this. So don't do that. And that's all about parting.